YouTube? Kasbian here, and we are going to be reacting to the one and only sneezing with your eyes open video. I've been sneezing all fucking day, and I'm tired of it. So I looked up on the interwebs how to not sneeze, and seen this video pop up, and like, why not react to this thing, right? So here we go.
This is my sister, Kaylin, and she sneezes with her eyes open. So we're making a video to demonstrate. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
Don't laugh at me.
It's going to be funny.
What is that?
Okay, here it comes. Look at me, Kayla.
Come on, get on with it.
Stop walking.
Sneeze, man.
Oh my god, I won't come out.
Sneeze some more.
Some more. Oh.
What's your move?
Well, gonna sneeze with my eyes open.
Yo.
Yes!
What the fuck? Ew. Wasn't that bad? Okay. Okay. Next one. She blinked. I want to try that real quick. Hold on.
Oh gosh.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try that real quick. What they're doing is taking like a Q-tip or a tissue and like pushing it in their nose, making themselves sneeze. So I'm gonna try and do that real quick, okay? So I'm guessing you just like put it in your nose like this. Ow. Oh shit, okay, yeah, I feel it. Okay, it's coming, nose. I can like feel it up here in my nose like that. That before sneezing feeling. I don't want to go too far. I'm kind of scared. Let's try the next nostril. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Wait. Okay. What's she doing? Oh shit, okay. It just feels so weird. Okay, let me stop. Shit, I lost it. Okay, hold up. Okay, it's not working, okay? I'm done. It feels so like weird up there, like it feels so weird, but thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna go like blow my nose now and get some food. I'm really hungry, but thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to your friends. Okay, have a good week and take care, you guys. Peace. What is up? What is up? What is up? That's a lame ass intro. Okay, hold up. Oh yeah. No. Okay. What is up, YouTube? It is. You're done. No, fuck. Shit. 3, 2, see. What is up, you guys? Kasbian TV here, back with another, back. What is up, YouTube? Here's Kasbian again, back with another video for you guys, and we are gonna be fuck.